In today's video, we delve into a significant shift in the electric vehicle landscape as Donald Trump announces the cancellation of EV sales targets, marking a new era for gas-powered vehicles. We'll explore the implications of this decision, including the elimination of EV subsidies and the freezing of crucial charging infrastructure funding. Join us as we examine the potential impact on automaker strategies, consumer choices, and the long-term uncertainty that now looms over the future of electric vehicles amidst a booming global market. 1. Revocation of EV sales targets. The 2021 Biden administration had set a clear pathway for the future of electric vehicles, aiming for a significant portion of new car sales to be electric by the end of the decade. However, President Trump's executive order has dismantled this target. The decision to revoke the EV sales target reflects a broader shift in policy priorities, emphasizing traditional energy sources over renewable alternatives. This move has been met with mixed reactions, with some industry stakeholders expressing concern over the potential setbacks in EV adoption and others welcoming the return to fossil fuels as a more reliable and immediate energy source. 2. Elimination of EV subsidies. In a move that could dramatically alter the landscape for electric vehicle buyers, the administration has decided to end federal subsidies for EVs. These subsidies have been crucial in making electric vehicles more affordable for consumers, effectively lowering the initial purchase cost. Without this financial support, the cost of EVs is likely to increase, potentially deterring many potential buyers. This change could have a profound impact on the market dynamics, making gasoline-powered vehicles more attractive in comparison. It's a shift that could slow down the transition to cleaner modes of transportation. 3. Freezing charging infrastructure funding. Another critical decision has been the freezing of federal funding for the expansion of EV charging stations. Charging infrastructure is a vital component of EV adoption, as it provides the necessary support system for electric vehicle owners. Without continued investment and expansion, the availability of charging stations may not keep pace with demand, creating a significant barrier for potential EV owners. This funding pause could result in a stagnation of infrastructure development, making it less convenient for consumers to choose electric over gasoline vehicles. 4. Impact on automaker strategies. Automakers are now faced with the challenge of re-evaluating their strategies in light of the rollback of EV mandates. Many companies had already invested heavily in the development and production of electric vehicles, anticipating a growing market driven by government incentives and targets. With these incentives now in question, automakers may need to reassess their product lines and investment plans. This could lead to a slowdown in the rollout of new electric models and a potential shift back towards traditional combustion engines in the short term. 5. Potential sales decline. Analysts are projecting a significant decline in EV sales as a result of the policy changes. The combination of revoking sales targets, eliminating subsidies, and pausing infrastructure funding could lead to a 28% reduction in EV sales by 2030. This potential decline raises concerns about the United States' ability to keep pace with global trends in electric transportation. The rollback of incentives could make it more difficult for the U.S. to achieve its environmental goals, as the shift to cleaner vehicles is delayed. 6. Tesla's revenue impact. Tesla, as a leading manufacturer of electric vehicles, stands to face considerable challenges due to these policy changes. The elimination of regulatory credits, which have been a significant source of income for the company, could impact Tesla's revenue streams. These credits have played a crucial role in supporting Tesla's financial success, and their removal may force the company to find alternative revenue sources. This change could also influence Tesla's pricing strategies and its ability to compete in a market without the same level of government support. 7. Global EV market growth. Despite the shifts in U.S. policy, the global market for electric vehicles remains robust. Projections indicate that global EV sales will exceed 20 million units by 2025, driven largely by strong demand in markets like China and Europe. These regions continue to prioritize electric transportation as part of their efforts to combat climate change and reduce emissions. The contrast between U.S. policy and global trends highlights the potential for American automakers to lose their competitive edge in the growing international EV market. 8. Environmental concerns. Environmental organizations have voiced significant concerns about the rollback of EV policies, fearing that it may hinder efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. The transition to electric vehicles is seen as a critical component of combating climate change, and any delay in this transition could have long-term environmental consequences. The decision to prioritize gas over electric vehicles may slow progress towards cleaner air and reduced carbon footprints, raising alarms among environmental advocates. 9. Consumer choice impact. The reduction in EV incentives and infrastructure development is likely to limit consumer choices in the automotive market. With fewer incentives to purchase electric vehicles and less accessible charging infrastructure, consumers may be less inclined to choose electric over gasoline-powered options. This shift could slow the transition to cleaner transportation and maintain the status quo of fossil fuel dependency. Consumers who are environmentally conscious or seeking to reduce their carbon footprints may find themselves with fewer viable options. 10. Long-term policy uncertainty. The reversal of EV policies introduces a level of uncertainty in the automotive industry that could affect long-term investments in electric vehicle technology and infrastructure. Automakers, investors, and consumers alike are now faced with an unpredictable landscape, making it challenging to plan for the future. This uncertainty could deter investment in new technologies and slow the pace of innovation in the electric vehicle sector. As the industry grapples with these changes, the long-term implications for the U.S. economy and its environmental goals remain to be seen.